This is my 2019 Ram 2500 Tradesman, 6.4 liter V8, 8-speed ZF transmission. Is an 8 HP 75 transmission. It's in PX8 black, which is non-metallic black. So even though it's dirty as crap right now, it still shines. Metallic black's cool too, but I just prefer the non-metallic black. I've blacked out the truck as best as I could, which is a black grille, black badges on the grille, black badge on the fender. Also have the black 18-inch Battleborns with ridge grapplers in 35 11 50 or 285 75 18, depending on what language you speak. We have the Bushwacker OE fender flares, so they are very low profile, but they cover the tires quite nicely. There's the AEV bumper with Baja Designs fog lights tucked into the factory bezels behind there. Warn M12000 winch. Moving to the back of the truck. Black toolbox and a rubber bed mat. This truck also has the gooseneck prep package. So you have the click connect fittings in the back where you can click in the gooseneck hitch. Black badge in the rear. Bumpers painted black. It's a 2.5-inch receiver. It's set at a 6.5-inch drop, 6-inch drop maybe for my car hauler. That's what I'm normally towing, which would be my Toyota. 94 Toyota rock crawler. So it also has Battleborns. They're also an 8-spoke design, so they're both kind of matchy-matchy. That's pretty cool. Show you the inside of the truck real quick. This truck is optioned exactly how I wanted it. So we have the larger display. It says 8.4-inch Uconnect. That gives me the color display on the other side of the dash. It also gives me Apple CarPlay and just overall a really nice big touch screen. Tradesman models typically don't have the larger 8.4-inch Uconnect. They typically have the smaller screen, and I'm not even sure if it's a touch screen, but I was able to retain the floor shift. A lot of trucks that have upgraded interior also have the push button 4x4. That's not what I wanted. I wanted the floor shifter. So it's a Tradesman level 2, so it does have carpet and cloth seats. Other than that, not a whole lot going on. So Tradesman was totally chromed out. It had the chrome steelies, chrome front bumper, chrome grille, chrome badges, all that. Obviously we changed all that, but the truck's pretty much bone stock, other than, you know, the bumper wheels and things like that. So it sits at a stock level. Haven't changed the suspension. I do have a 2-inch BDS level kit for it, but I'm not sure that it needs it. So I will be putting the Fox shocks on it, but I'm not sure if I will actually install the level spacer. Probably just leave it alone. So Tradesman model, basically the base model, except for I do have the limited slip rear end. I have the gooseneck prep package, the full towing package, to include the auxiliary trailer camera, wiring, and the cab clearance lights, and the larger display upgraded radio. But other than that, pretty well a base model truck. The benefits of buying the Tradesman is you can option them out exactly how you want them. As you can see, I also have the regular mirrors. I don't have the big goofy moose mirrors. Some people like those, some people don't. I'm one of those people that don't. So when you buy a Tradesman model truck, you can get it exactly how you want it. The sticker price on this truck was $47,505. I paid $39,101 for it, so under 40 grand. I think this is the best truck for the money at that price point. Obviously I have put more money into it by upgrading it and customizing it, but out the door, $39,101. I get about 13.8 miles per gallon mixed driving around town. That's done 10,000 miles on this truck in 1 year. It is my daily driver and my weekend warrior truck. It is calibrated for the larger tires with an AEV Pro Cal. So the display miles per hour and MPGs are correct. When I'm towing, I get more like 10.5 or 11 miles a gallon depending on the speed. And on the interstate, if I'm just on a road trip, I can get 17, 16 miles a gallon. So, and that the Toyota that I tow on the car hauler weighs approximately 6,500 pounds. So that's an idea of how much weight I'm pulling when I'm getting 10.5 or 11 miles per gallon. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching.